one, number 2. Which serial numbers? Your serial number 51. The serial number also. Now what's your carry? 51. Now what's your carry? Aquatano. Asekaka, just Akotunya Kasakanyade.
I will say they make a plan. Oh, which two? The cover of the Zimba.
This is a winning vote. Thank you very much. This is victory.
People think that it's just come to their own home or pick their own name. We've seen many times kind of showing us
this is the winning vote.
ballot saying this is the winning vote. Honorable Alice Alaso will confirm to
You stopped me, so what is that?
They want to.
We just want to put you live when you're voting. In 2 minutes.
What will you be doing when I come here in the morning and cast my vote? Because where we have been residing, the army formed the garrison the other night and it was difficult. So casting this vote first is victory for me. Secondly, it's really a vote for what we need in Serere and for what the nation needs. A candidature about overseeing government in the real sense, not just about going to parliament and keeping quiet and earning a salary. No, this is a candidature about true oversight of government. It's a candidature about true representation of the aspirations of these people that you see in Serere. Serere is a constituency which has a lot of challenges and they badly need a voice. And it goes without any iota of doubt that this is the candidate who can speak for the people of Serere. And so I believe that when the votes are finally counted, when I'm finally declared winner, I have a clearly cut out agenda. Look at those oranges there. Those farmers don't have market, and we put out a fruit factory which has refused to buy those oranges. We, the farmers, want to organize ourselves, and I'll be speaking for such people. So this is the winning ballot I have just cast.
The election is either win or loss. I came into this race knowing there are two options. You can win, you can lose. And it is a honorable thing to accept whatever results they are in. It's a honorable thing. It's once you accept to go for it, you should be prepared for either result. But that said, I think the support that I have, I would put at 70% victory. So I am not thinking otherwise because I see it already coming home. So Serere, this is coming home. The people of Serere, they stay focused. The progress that we wanted is here. The services, the clean water, health care, the roads, and all the other promises of the NRM. This is coming home. So thank you very much, people of Serere. I encourage you people to turn up in huge numbers. Please be encouraged. It is a peaceful process. Be encouraged to go and vote because it is your right to vote for your leader.
I feel very good. I feel a proud Ugandan to have voted today. And I wish all my colleagues, the candidates, their very best. And we're all just hoping for the best. Yes.
Some of the things you've been able to notice.
Voting, unfortunately, the voters who have been coming to turn up for voting, being beaten by soldiers, and also just being dispersed, and people are coming in and stuffing the boxes with pre-ticked ballot papers. Some of our agents have been beaten. We're actually nursing some of them at home. Some have been put to prison today. So we're just all sad at the moment. We just hope they recover well.